Hello and welcome to Con eVarsity. What's something people don't know about community development facilitators? These are the unsung heroes of our neighborhoods. They work tirelessly to make our communities better. Their job is to bring people together, to solve problems, to create positive change. They're the glue that holds communities together. They listen to people's needs, they understand their struggles, and they work to find solutions. These facilitators are more than just organizers. They're dreamers and doers. They see the potential in every person. They believe in the power of community, and they work hard to make that belief a reality. Now, let's talk about how these facilitators make change happen. It all starts with skills, community development skills. These are the tools that turn ideas into action. They're what make a good facilitator great, and they're what create real, lasting change in our communities. First, there's communication. A good facilitator knows how to listen, really listen. They hear not just words, but feelings, hopes, fears. They know how to speak too, to inspire, to motivate, to bring people together around a common goal. Communication is the foundation of community development. Then there's problem solving. Communities face all kinds of challenges. A skilled facilitator knows how to break these problems down, to find creative solutions. This kind of leadership creates stronger, more resilient communities. Let's move on to something really exciting. Building networks and partnerships. This is where the magic happens, where communities really start to come together and grow stronger. It's all about connections between people, between groups, between resources. A skilled facilitator knows how to create these connections. They're like community matchmakers. They see the potential for partnerships everywhere, between schools and businesses, between churches and community centers, between young people and seniors. They bring people together who might never have met otherwise. These networks are powerful. They create a web of support throughout the community. If someone needs help, there's always someone to turn to. If there's a problem to solve, there are more hands to help, more minds to think, more hearts to care. This is how strong communities are built, one connection at a time. Section 4, Developing and Monitoring Community Interventions. Now, let's talk about action. Because all this networking and skill building leads to something big, community interventions. These are the projects and programs that make real change happen, that improve lives, that solve problems, that create opportunities. Developing these interventions is an art and a science. It starts with listening, really understanding what the community needs, what it wants, what its strengths are. A good facilitator doesn't come in with all the answers. They help the community find its own answers. They guide, they support, but they let the community lead. Once an intervention is developed, it's time to put it into action. This is where all those skills we talked about earlier come into play. Communication to get everyone on board, problem solving to overcome obstacles, leadership to keep things moving forward. Monitoring is crucial. A good facilitator knows how to track progress. This is how interventions become sustainable. Section 5, Instilling Core Values in Community Development. Now let's talk about something close to my heart, values. Because community development isn't just about projects and programs, it's about people. And people need values to guide them, to inspire them, to bring out the best in them. That's why a good facilitator focuses on instilling core values in everything they do. Trust is at the top of the list. Without trust, nothing else works. A good facilitator builds trust in every interaction, every decision, every project. They're transparent, reliable, consistent. They do what they say they'll do, and they encourage others to do the same. Trust is the foundation of strong communities. Decency is another crucial value. Section 6, Strategies for Restoring Purpose and Strength. Let's wrap up with something powerful. Strategies for restoring purpose and strength. Because sometimes communities lose their way. They face hardships, setbacks, challenges that seem insurmountable. But a good facilitator knows how to help communities find their way back, to rediscover their strength, their purpose, their spirit. It starts with reconnecting people to their values, their beliefs, their traditions. A good facilitator helps people remember what's important to them, what gives their lives meaning. They create spaces for reflection, for spiritual growth, for rediscovering purpose. This isn't about pushing any particular belief. It's about helping people tap into their own sources of strength and wisdom. This is how we create lasting change. Please subscribe to the Khan E Varsity YouTube channel, like and share this video.